Good morning. He's back. Yes, he is. Oh my god. I am tired, but I am back. Oh, god damn it. My lights are still not fucking working. I got my lights to kind of work and then they turned back off again, so whatever. How was the weekend, y'all? Oh, I missed a stream. Yeah, me too. Me too, but looks like Friday was pretty fucking mediocre anyway. Things are ripping here. Gold's ripping. Crude oil was ripping. Now coming in. Market's kind of ripping off the lows. We got the newsletter coming out this morning. Exclamation mark newsletter in the chat. Shout out to that. J Fox, good morning. I hope you completed the newsletter. I did, don't worry. Always. Always, don't worry. We good. Never miss that. Even, I'm not gonna lie though, I did not wake up to an alarm. I woke up at like 4:30, which I usually wake up a little earlier for my newsletter days. I woke up at 4:30 to no alarm. It was just like woke up, so that was a little sketchy. How many hours of sleep are you running on? 3.5. No. That would be if I went till right now. 2.5. Sorry, I can't count right now. 2.5. So that's that. Well, what do we got this week? What the fuck? Today's market unpredicted. Oh, we gonna see. We gonna see. Yeah, I'm not running on much sleep though. But that's all right. We'll be all right. We'll get through the Monday. We just gotta get through the Monday, you know. All right, spaces in 30 minutes. NDX gap fill. Key. How we all doing? I'm doing good, brother. I'm tired, but I'm ready to go. Oh. How's the weather in Saudi? Wait, are you in Saudi, Aaron? Oh my god, no way. Next time you have to stream while you drive from city to city would be fun. I could try. I just don't know if it'll work very well on that drive, to be honest. I don't know if it'll stream, but I'm down to try it. Always down. No, I'm home. Good. Good. I hope you had a great birthday, brother. Sorry I didn't see it the day of. I wasn't on Discord at all. I didn't even look at my phone really that day. Yeah, who's in Saudi? Oh, you're asking NSR. Gotcha. All right, guys, I have some unfortunate news. So, what was it? Thursday night, your boy, I was trading the futures. We were trading MNQ. I was getting things jiggy. We were coming off that $1,000 loss. I made back like $450, which was solid. Here's where it goes a little unfortunate. I had a ton of open orders in, like resting orders, that I didn't cancel. I talked to CR about this the morning of Friday because I had to tell somebody. I was like, bro, I gotta fucking talk to CR. He's gonna laugh at me. Bro, nice comeback? It was. It was a nice comeback until my dumbass left fucking multiple open orders of 15, 25 contracts. And I got fucked. I got fucked on that. So daddy or not daddy yet. Not quite daddy yet. So we're running it back. I'm running it back with a 50K account. Unfortunately, this motherfucker got fucking shit on. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, it's not the day of. That's why. I thought it was gonna show me the 2K loss. But yeah, that account got fucked because my dumbass left open orders in, which, you know, a lot of people will be like, CR, I know CR, you were trying to tell me like, oh, it's just like a mistake and that, blah, blah, blah. Like, yeah, it's not, you know, it's not a huge deal, but at the end of the day, if that was in a real account, that's still a massive mistake, right? Doesn't matter if it was like, oh, blah, blah, blah. It's like, dude, you can't be leaving open fucking orders. You know what I mean? So, unfortunate way to blow that. I would have, blowing it, I don't care about. I would have loved to blow it on like a fucking crazy play, not blowing it. I woke up and my account was gone. I was like, oh, fuck. I texted CR. I was like, hey, I just woke up. My account's gone. He's like, nah. I'm like, yeah, it's gone. So, it's the way it goes. Wait, CR, I told you fucking laugh about it with the boys, though. It seems like you kept quiet. Or did you and Polly and all the boys have a little laugh about it? I wanted to formally tell everybody on the stream because I thought you guys could have a laugh with me about it, but I'm sure CR and Polly were laughing at me. Nah, I told Aaron and Brayden, gotcha. Yeah, I just kept it with the boys. I got you. Dude, it's so stupid. God. Fucking. I'm just glad I did it with a fucking eval, if anything, and not like some real hard-earned money, because that would have been stupid, man. They just pretending to be surprised. Yeah, fuck. I felt bad, honestly. Oh, no, man. It's not a big deal. Shit. I would have been like kind of butthurt about it if I was like right at the goal, the profit target goal. But I was still like a ways away. You know what I mean? Not a big deal at all. But definitely just unfortunate. I would have much rather blown the account on like a fucking degen play. You know what I mean? Not doing that. Well, especially just because I closed my computer. And I'm like, damn, that was a great night. I made back $400. Now we're only down 600 from the day. That was a great night. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning. If there's an opportunity before I leave for Chico, I'll grab it. If not, whatever, I'm just gonna leave. And I fucking wake up and I come over here. Or no, I go shower first. And then I come up here, start packing and shit, and I sit down at my desk and I come to look at the screen. And I like sign into Top Step and everything. And it's like, boom, it has the notification pop up and it says dismiss this notification of like, fucking, your account has been liquidated. I'm like, what do you mean? And then I look at my orders and I'm like, oh, I had a bunch of orders in. Fantastic. So, reminder, guys. Reminder. Very important to maybe just like click that cancel all button a few times when you're done trading on the day. Because, I mean, had I done that, I wouldn't have lost that account. Now, I was going to get a 50K account anyway. I was talking to CR and I was going to run a 50K account anyway. But, I wanted to have that other one. Well, I didn't have stops on open limit orders that I have now. No, I did not. I had multiple limit orders in if we went higher to short, if we went lower to long, and I just had like orders in everywhere. So no, I didn't have stop losses in for each of those orders because I didn't have orders actually like, I didn't have anything in yet. Those would have saved you? Yeah. But I also, if I was thinking I was going to step away from the screen and still be looking to get into a trade, I definitely would have had those in, but It's not what I was thinking. I was thinking I'm going to be at the screen, right? Yeah, I mean, that is the problem of not having a stop loss set for a limit order, but like, I'm not going to throw, like, if I have open orders waiting, resting, I'm probably not going to have stops already in for a resting order that I'm not even in the position yet. Probably not going to have stop orders in, especially because I'm at the screen all day, right? That was unfortunate. But I'm also never, like, if I was going to say, hey, I'm going to step away from the screen, sure, I'll do that. But, you know, I wasn't deciding I was going to step away from the screen and try and stay in a trade. Had I thought that, I would have been like, yeah, obviously put those in. I didn't. I went to bed thinking I had no orders in. So today I smell blood. We'll see. I mean, there was a lot of blood over the night, to be honest. But we could see more. I don't fucking see why not. I don't really have much direction in my thought process at all right now. I'm just like, it's Monday. Mondays suck. So I don't know. I got my eyes on some other names, to be honest. Yeah, maybe I'll set that up, CR. I mean, it's not really much of a worry because I'm never really in that position anyway. It was just unfortunate that time because I had open orders in, but I'm never leaving open orders in like that and stepping away from the screen. So I really just don't have a use to have those in until I actually get in the position. Then I'll set my stop. But I'm with you. I mean, yeah, that would have saved me. But I also wouldn't have even thought to set it. That's the thing. I wouldn't have even thought to set it because it's like I didn't even think there were open orders in. So even if like I wouldn't have even used them anyway, to be honest. Unfortunately. How was Chico? Chico was great. Had a great time. Fucking hate leaving, but Lily's coming back down in like a week and a half for my birthday, so it's not that bad. Not a big deal. But it was a good time. It was a good time. Just got to be, honestly, just got to be lazy for like 2 days. Chill. Relax. Well, I'm ready for a morning. We got like 20 minutes left. I'm keeping an eye on gold. Gold's just pumping, man. This trend is ridiculous. I think this could potentially pump to 28. Let's look at MNQ. We had a decent night down. These gold bulls are ridiculous, Jordy. Every single fucking candle is getting wicked. Yeah, bro. Ridiculous. Yeah, so I have all the micro names set up. I definitely have been like kind of playing around with some other names a little bit, just dipping and diving a little bit and just kind of getting used to how other names move too. I do like oil. I like micro crude oil. I like micro gold. I got a gold stock that's up 80% in a few weeks. Torn on where the cash out. Shit. I mean, 80% is 80%, you know. Does anyone have news on Zero? Did everything go well? I saw in the Discord, isn't he at the hospital right now? Aren't things getting handled as we speak? I think. That's awesome. That's really awesome. All right, so crude oil looks pretty good too. We got this bounce kind of holding this higher low structure. I'm interested to see if that kind of keeps ripping. Reclaim August NFP low there. God, I got something in my eye. Of course, man. I couldn't go the morning without getting something in my eye. Never do. Never do. Always got something in my eye, I swear. What's that green stuff on your chart? Like this? This and this in the red? That's just the Lux Algo reversal zones. I've just been playing with them a little bit. Kind of in confluence with the VWAP bands as well. Can kind of be interesting. Kind of just helps me pinpoint some areas when I don't have any other like points of confluence telling me anything. Not necessarily for a trade. Sometimes for a trade if there's like multiple points of confluence. But most of the time just kind of understanding, okay, like we could stop here or we could like potentially reverse here. Instead of like just outright kind of guessing where. Because I mean, we can all look at levels, we can all look at setups and spots, but like having this kind of tell me where the best spots might be helps a little bit. Can help out a little bit. Brayden, good morning. Oh my God, I still have something in my eye. Fucker. But it's interesting right now, CR, if you look at gold, it is starting to get in that reversal zone on the daily. We've been in it on the 4-hour. But it's very strong. I wouldn't just be shorting this because we're here, right? I do think this has potential for 28. But we'll see what happens at like 27.70. I don't know. Keep eyes. At 10 minutes, 14 minutes till spaces. Dude, we like Pedro, man. Pedro's a man. Who's getting breakfast for everybody? I don't know. But fucking get me a mimosa, would you? I'm short gold, 27.55. Got you. Yeah, I mean, it's a spot I really like. It depends. We might tap this area and wick off of it. I think this is very strong though, and I'm gonna let it pump as much as it needs to. But not a bad spot to try it at all. I mean, that's a spot for sure. But yeah. I really like crude oil. Crude oil is fun to trade. Moves nice. I'm starting to find other names that I like besides MNQ. How crazy is trading during election time? I mean, it can be wild. It really just depends. I mean, closer to the election like we are now, it can be like honestly pretty choppy. But it all just depends. So you're gonna have times definitely where like there's things being said throughout the day that the market is influenced by, you know what I mean? Oh yeah, Braden, I talked about it. Yeah, I got fucked, dude. It's Braden, it was so funny. I had a pretty solid Thursday night. So Thursday I took the $1,000 L. That night I hopped on futures, we traded a little bit. I made like 450 bucks. It was solid. That was like a good start to make back the losses, right? Like now I'm only down like 600 bucks. Cool. I fucking lay my head down, snoring, wake up, go take a shower. It's like 1 in the morning. Wake up, take a shower, come like start packing, sit at my desk, go to start trading. Like go to not even start trading, but just like look at everything. And I have the giant notification of you've been liquidated. And I'm like, oh. Well, good morning then. Pretty much that was my good morning. So, and then I looked back and it was like, yeah, I had a bunch of open orders and I remember it too now. Like as soon as I saw that, I was like, "Oh, I remember all those open orders I had in, damn." No, I'm sorry. It's okay, man. It's all good. I would have been a little butthurt about it if I was like really close to the profit target, but like we weren't very close, so it's okay. Not a big deal at all. Just in an unfortunate way for the account to go, you know. Like if I'm gonna blow an account, dude, I'm gonna blow it on fucking 100 MNQ. Not fucking wake up and my shit's gone. You know what I mean? I want to blow it live on stream, running like 10 NQs, 100 MNQs, something crazy. You know what I mean? Not fucking wake up and my shit's gone. That kind of sucks, but it's whatever. Not a big deal. I was gonna buy another account anyway, just so I had it, but I wanted to have my 100K account too. You know what I mean? I didn't just want to have this, but for now that's what we got, and then we could either, I didn't know you can reset them, which is kind of cool. I might just do that or just keep going with 50K. I don't know. I'm just gonna run with this 50K right at the moment, but yeah. It's okay. CR has been there too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just felt like a dumbass, man. I just felt like a dumbass because it's like that's such a stupid mistake, but it's like it's very much a mistake that can happen and very much a mistake that can cost you a lot of money. And if that had happened in like a real account, I would have been really pissed at myself. You know what I mean? That I literally left fucking open orders like a dumbass. So need to make sure I'm not doing that. That's for sure. Because that's just an outright stupid mistake, right? Obviously, not a big deal. It was just like on the eval. But if that was like a real account, bro, that would have been really dumb, right? Like, let's be real. Can't let shit like that happen. It's ridiculous. So can't be doing that. It's all right, but you know, don't wanna continue to let something like that happen at all. That's for sure. Damn. Rusty looks like she's kind of setting the fuck up for some upside, buddy. It just needs to reclaim, yay, Friday's low. I'm kind of liking Rusty this morning, guys, to be honest. This 4-hour looks sexy. Holding that 4-hour 21 EMA. So, well, not quite holding it perfectly. We dropped below it, but we're getting bought up. I'd like to see this 4-hour candle close above this 21 EMA and above Friday's low. If we can close above that, I might be going long. I'm going to keep eyes there. I really like that. How do we reset accounts in the event a nuclear holocaust arrives? Dude, Pedro's funny as fuck, bro. In the if you not topstepx.com, I don't think, but just topstep.com, if you sign into your account and choose the account that you blew, you can choose to just reset it and you just pay for it again. It's just like instead of going and buying a whole nother one, you just reset the one that you blew. You know what I mean? If you want to go with the same one. I just wanted to go with the 50K. I was gonna get 50K anyway, so I got one of those. Can you look at B8? Yes, I can. I saw you say that. I'm so sorry. I like didn't look at it at all. So pumped overnight. I'm not. Do we know what kind of news happened or what's going on with BA? Or is this just like a pre-earnings pump? I don't know what kind of news or what happened there that made that pump as much as it did, but I mean, looking good off that. If you've been long, fantastic. If you're not long yet, I don't know if I'd be looking to get long at least right here. I would definitely let it pull back a bit and show me a little bit of some market structure, some bullish market structure, but I mean, looking good. I think if you're in it, we kind of have room to that September NFP high, 162.85. I think that's like kind of the next spot this needs to see as long as we clear and hold over that 160 level. The only bad thing I see about BA is like if we want to fill this gap. So under 159, you don't want to be long, in my opinion. Until we gap fill, then it's like maybe a potential long off there, but yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing there. BA had bad news, reached a deal with striking workers. Interesting. Yeah, so I would watch that gap, you know. If we keep getting close to that gap and testing it, that tells me it wants to try and fill it. We've already tested the gap. We've already tested the gap level twice here. So we made the gap here, tested it once, tested it twice. We really shouldn't test it anymore. You know what I mean? A strong gap hold, most of the time, it doesn't even need to actually test the gap level. It'll come maybe close to it and just leave and fucking rip. So the more times we get close to that 159, the more I think she's going to try and break it and gap fill to the downside personally. So that's kind of my thoughts there on BA. I do have some setups in the newsletter, exclamation mark newsletter in the chat. If you guys want to be subscribed to that, get all my thoughts and setups for every single week for the market. That is going to be released 5 minutes before the market opens. So shout out to that. We got some setups in there. I'm not sick yet, but I think I'm getting a little sick. But I'm not feeling too bad. I'm feeling pretty good, actually. I'm definitely going to take a really nice nap later. That's a guarantee for sure. VIX still under 20. My chart is slow as fuck. Couldn't tell you why. To me, good news for BA would be if they found a solution for all the falling doors. Yeah. I could agree with that. I could agree with that for sure. I see your point there. I'll pin that newsletter link in the chat. I'm ready for a day, y'all. I'm ready to get it going. I'm ready for a day. Spaces in 3 minutes. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Oh. Let's go, baby. Mikey, my man. Let's try another short on gold. Do it for Dale, gold. Yeah, not yet. I'm waiting. I think there's going to be a really, really, really good short on gold. But I don't know if it's going to be quite yet. This thing might need to pump more. I mean, this thing's really strong. But I think soon to come, there's going to be a really nice short on gold. It's just I can't yet in good conscience. But maybe if I see some things change, I think we're coming into some big spots where we could see it. But we still might need to pump for like a week. You know what I mean? We'll see. We will see. I'm keeping my eyes out on oil for oil dips. I don't know. I'm watching orb high from Friday. That's basically that 69.50 area on oil. I'll be interested in if we get down there. All right. About to be Space's time. Oh, God, I missed the stream on Friday, not gonna lie. I know it was a pretty boring day though, so to be honest, not a bad day to be away, huh? This was Friday for you? Fuck, man. Honestly, what a beautiful range to trade in though. I know this looks ugly as fuck. But wow, I mean, you guys know, you marked that 30-minute orb from Friday, dude. Ugh. Just trade that whole time. So perfect. I'm actually gonna mark that again. Where is that? It's Friday. Baby. Alrighty. Alrighty. Feeling good, feeling great. Spaces has started. I'm ready for the morning. We don't have like really any economic data either. At least today. We do have some later in the week, but not much. We got some Fed speakers, existing home sales, bond auctions, initial jobless claims, Michigan inflation data. Not much. Really not much. Just more earnings. We got Tesla earnings this week, big. So it's all on the earnings side of things. Good morning, Spaces crew. Happy Monday, everybody. I hope everybody had a great weekend. Oh, I was driving all night. So we're on minimal sleep, but I'm ready for the day. I'm ready to get going. Things had a little bit of a fall last night for sure. Came in a bit. We're holding some spots, but for the most part, just kind of back and forth from Friday. I know Friday was very choppy. We had OPEX, all that. So I hope everybody stayed safe and didn't get too screwed up on that choppy price action. Honestly, though, like if you were playing the edges and just playing the orb range, it was honestly a beautiful day. It can look like a horrible day, but playing back and forth on the edges of orb all day, you killed it. on Friday, even given the choppy price action. So solid there, but coming in a decent amount here. From like Friday's close, we're down about 100 points. So keep an eyes there. Crude oil came into a big spot. We're holding this higher low formation, holding that 69 or 68.20 area. I think as long as we're holding Friday's low on crude oil, I like the long. If we lose that, we're losing the bullish structure that it's had. So want to see that hold. Might be having some plays there. Gold has just been absolutely ripping too. So much strength there. I do think at some point there's going to be a really nice short on gold, but not. You can't. I can't in good conscience sit here and jump in front of something like that. But I think, let this thing pump into some big levels that we have up top and could be interesting. But keep an eye there. I would ride the trend until the trend stops.
Good morning, Jordy.
Good morning, Knotswell.
Yo. I will be right back.
No worries. Oh. Yeah, I'm watching crude oil into that 69.50, 69.40 area. Friday's orb high. We got VWAP sitting there as well. Some previous highs from Friday. So I'm going to keep an eye on that spot if we come down to there, which looks like we want to. Gold is so strong though, geez. We got some big earnings this week. I'll throw a post up top showing all the earnings for the week. But we all know what I'm looking at for the most part, and that's going to be Big T Dizzle on Wednesday after the close. Yes, sir. The Tesla. Going to be fun. Let's see. They're looking for revenue of $25.52 billion and an EPS of 61 cents. So we're going to see if Tesla can do it. I don't know that I'm going to be entering any swings before then, because IV is likely still really fucked. So probably just going to sit back, relax. If I'm going to play it at all, we'll play a little TSLT. Other than that, I'm probably not going to touch it. If IV is ridiculous how it's been. Now let's wait till after. Even if that means I have to buy fucking $20 higher, I don't really care, because I'll be getting contracts that are worth it for me. So again, too, makes it easier for me to have that thought process when we've done good on Tesla this whole time, right? If I've missed Tesla this whole time, I might be a little more like, oh, I need to be in, but I'm not too worried about like, oh, I need to be in right now, or if I miss out on a little bit of a potential gain, it's not a big deal. I'd rather miss out and know that I'm getting good contracts versus trying to gamble with earnings and even buying time on earnings with the IV the way it is, unless it's really a lot lower this week, which I just don't see it being a whole lot lower than it was last week. Probably not going to touch it, but we'll see. Things change quick, so we'll see. I'll throw the link for the live stream up top as well. Y'all know the drill. We live every morning, baby. Link is up top. Oh. Gold's absolutely pumping. We're coming into a bit of a reversal zone from Lux Algo, but I think we could pump into that reversal zone for a little bit, so I'm not sitting here like, oh, jumping on shorts, especially these highs like that. It's not the wisest option for me, but I think to come there could be a good play there. Until then, I would continue to ride that trend. MNQ, nice bounce from the lows off that 350 area. VIX is still under 20. Had a big gap up from 18 bucks, but still under 20. I really like IWM. It's reclaiming Friday's low right now. I really like the 4-hour setup personally. The 4-hour candle is reclaiming the 21, reclaiming Friday's low a day. I'm likely going to be long this today as long as we can clear Friday's low with strength here, which we're trying to break above right now and kind of back test. I want to see this like really break above and then hold it. So I'm probably watching that closest. Not again, Jordy. You like IWM? I know last time I liked IWM, it ruined Paul's trade. So got to be careful here. Any earnings today? What's going on today? Today, not really any earnings that I care about, at least. I mean, Nucor. Maybe somebody cares about Nucor. We have Nucor earnings, but other than that, I mean, I don't really care about any other earnings happening today. But NUE, Nucor reporting. Tomorrow we got some more interesting companies, but I'm really just waiting for Tesla on Wednesday. We got UPS before the open on Thursday. Honeywell. American Airlines. Capital One after the close. Colgate, brush your teeth. On Friday. Next week is going to be a fun earnings week, let me tell you. We got Ford Monday morning. We got McDonald's Tuesday morning, Pfizer, PayPal, Crocs, SoFi, Google after the close, Visa, AMD, Chubb, Chipotle, First Solar. Next week's going to be fun. We got Apple reporting on Thursday after the close. Gonna be fun. Oh. All right, Rusty. See what you can do today. Like the hourly way that's looking as well. Last hourly candle closed above Friday's low. We just opened a new hourly candle. Now we're trying to back test that area. I do think we could come into that 285.70 area. That's where I'd rather grab it. I could either watching this, I could either get a dip down lower for a higher low on Russell off my 86, 87 area, or we rip it here to that 291 area, maybe back test Friday's low again, show some strength off of there, and that's when I grab entries. I don't know, we'll see. As long as that 4-hour keeps looking nice. They are trying to buy it up off Friday's low at the moment, so not looking bad. Crude oil just chopping right now. Q's ripping. Looks like it wants to go test that orb low from Friday. That's 433.50. Video pretty flat. Didn't come in too much. It's pretty much within Friday's range. Not bad at all. Reminder for everybody in the audience, in about 10 minutes or so, we got the newsletter dropping. 5 minutes before that market opens, so make sure you guys are subscribed to that. 100% free for all the setups and thoughts every single week, baby. This is number 45. 45 weeks in a row. Let's get to 52 already, shall we? Pompey Qs. Love to see it. How's Mr. Coin this morning? Coming in a little bit. Not much, though. We hit that 215, then I want to hit 220, but I was watching that 215 spot. Damn. I had a massive position there, and we made some great gains, don't get me wrong, but unfortunate. I knew it was way too early to exit as well, but oh, that morning was scary. That morning was a little scary, shook me out. At least we still got it in the competition portfolio. I'd rather have it in my real fucking account, but at least I got it there. That's doing really well, by the way. We're pretty good. 15, wait, like 12% this past week. Not bad. Not bad. Coin looks like it wants to hit July NFP high, 225, 10. Definitely see that coming in. Wow, my 200 calls will be $16 in the money here. Insane. IWM holding, Friday's low. Russell. Nah, it wasn't even that dynamite. I trimmed but it was all me that decided to get all out of coin. That was nobody else. That was all me. That morning was scary, man. B trades, good morning, B.
Good morning. How's your weekend?
Oh, phenomenal. How was yours?
Good, man. Did you take a road trip? Is that what I thought?
I did. I got home at like 1 o'clock this morning. Now we ready to get to work.
Right. Where else you go?
I went up to Chico to see my girlfriend. Damn. All right, Rusty. Like to see it. Let's see you hit VWAP now, 291. Did you make Lily feel better? Yes. Yes, I did. Oh, God. Is gold gonna pop more? Let her cook. If you're short gold right now, I do think a good short is gonna is to come. But I don't know about yet. Momentum's pretty strong. But we'll see there. We are coming into some spots, but I think this could pump more for sure, given the momentum we've had. But we'll see. We will see. Some sellers might come in and say, fuck that. Slap it. I think Netflix hits 800. Ooh, let's take a look. Denosa. Ooh. I think 800. It's very possible. It's only $30 away. It looks like it's that kind of gap and go type of thing on earnings. Like it's not, it doesn't look like it wanted to, you know, hit that gap on earnings and then come back in and fill it, right? Looks strong. Looks like it wants to keep pushing. We're making a higher high from Friday's high right now. I mean, it's looking pretty damn strong for sure, so. I sold my 2x leverage Netflix in the competition portfolio. We bought it right before earnings. We sold it right after. Nice little gain there on the competition portfolio. I did not play that in any of my real portfolios, but a little fun there.
All right, we got Bitcoin breaking down a little bit.
Where's Biddy? Ooh, she about to bounce.
We got SPY respecting the box. We're right around mid box.
Mid box.
582s to 585s. Yeah.
We call it the mid box.
Yeah, my box trading rules will range bound kind of thing.
Really like IWM, Rusty.
Let's see what IWM's got going now.
4 hour. I like it to the upside. As long as we're holding Friday's low a day, 4 hour 21 EMA. I like Rusty long today.
And then might as well look at the Qs.
I do wish I already got entries on iDubbbz, or on Rusty, but we will find other entries. Yes, sir. Newsletter dropping in 4 minutes. That link is up top in spaces and pinned in the chat in the stream.
I just did something of yours this morning. I think I just typed in my email address. Is that the same thing?
Oh yeah, for the newsletter? Yeah. That's what it is.
Oh, that is the news. Okay.
Yes, sir. So in like 4 minutes, you should get an email with the all the work I did on that newsletter this morning for everything for the week. I just still like all the earnings, all the economic data that's coming out that like I'm watching for volatility, short-term setups for the week, long-term setups that I'm watching to potentially enter for the week. Yeah. Stuff like that. Just thoughts on the general market of where we're at right now, which that section of the of the newsletter has been pretty similar for the past year, just because, I mean, the market's just higher highs and higher lows. Pretty much just been like, hey, any significant dips we get should be bought. Any big swings to the downside are pretty much short-term swings to the downside, right? If they're traded, should be traded short-term for the most part until we see this market really start coming in. But we've had a few nice down days for sure. It's just like, I don't know, the weekly. I still think Qs makes a new all-time high before the end of the year, but we'll see. Not far from it. I don't know though.
Yeah, for now, just on SPY, you're seeing the sharp rejections off of the overhead supply at the 585, 586 here. Just continue. I'm going to continue to look at that and look for short setups up there and longer setups, kind of down where we bounced off of this morning for now. And just kind of nail and bail. I don't I don't think we see anything crazy one way or the other. At least not today. Tomorrow we can look more for a trend, maybe.
Yeah, it is Monday, so you know, sometimes we get some crazy Mondays that are fun, but definitely more than not, I would expect a chop.
Yeah. Yeah,
Which is fine, especially if you're a futures trader. Like, you really don't mind the job at all. It's fun.
Yeah.
I have some resting orders on M2K for the going into the open here, but I'm not in anything. I am flat. Also flat on the options account as of now. Looking to change that this week. But hasn't really been a lot of setups I've loved, except for, I mean, coin was it, and I fucking sold too early. I let one morning scare me out of massive money, but it's all right. We made some great money on the way to 200, and I'm happy about that, but I mean, left a lot of money on the table from 200 to 220 here. Unfortunate, but
yeah, I got off some longs on 215 calls there mid-afternoon.
I set limits at bottom VWAP if we want to test it, but it's very likely that we pop into the open and come back and retest the low right here. And in that case, I'll buy it there. We'll see, though. Friday's low. Reminder, I did throw the earnings calendar for the week up top, but got some interesting earnings. Not really today, but into the rest of the week. Obviously, Tesla's a big one that we're all watching, so that's going to be fun. But got Nucor this morning. Maybe somebody cares about that one. I have heard that name thrown around a little bit. We got Coca-Cola Wednesday morning, AT&T, VRT, bunch of companies. Next week we got Apple, Google. It is earnings season.
Kind of feels like after last earnings that Tesla needs a really good one right now.
Yeah.
We see the bigger dip.
I think if we do dip, the lowest I'd want to see it, really, is like 192's area. I mean, under 190, it's getting rough. We're losing that structure. But if we can just back test, kind of sweep some orders under that 200 a bit, I wouldn't mind that. I kind of think it's more just going to be a IV crush, but we'll see. Really have no idea, so. Rusty looking good into the open here. Morning, Thomas. Good morning, good morning. Let's go today, everybody. Hope everybody has a great day, follows your rules, follows the plan. Let's get a great start to the week. It's Monday. Expecting a little bit of chop, but nothing we can't handle. I am ready to go. T-minus 2 minutes. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's get it. Reminder for the audience, if you guys want to watch any of the trades live, We are live streaming on YouTube. That link is also up top. So feel free to join. See what hedge pressure is this morning. We don't really have any data today. We have a bunch of Fed speakers. Kashkari at 1 o'clock Eastern. Really, that's it. All the other speakers are way later in the day. So not too much data to worry about today. Really no catalyst at all today unless we have some news comes out. Oh, everything's waiting for earnings later in the week and data later in the week. We do have some data. What do we got? Wednesday, existing home sales at 10 o'clock. Crude oil inventories, 20-year bond auction. Thursday, we got initial jobless claims, S&P services PMI, manufacturing PMI, new home sales. Friday got Michigan inflation expectations. And this market is open. Ooh, dip on IDubs.
Order filled.
I'm starting a position on IDubs here, but I have orders lower. But this is another back test of right below that low. It's the 21. It's Friday's orb low. Very much could hold that.
Morning being a long,
I want orders lower.
Oh, 7, and they barely were red.
Yeah.
And now they're actually all turning green. I saw this morning as a long. I actually should have grabbed it lower. Kind of stupid of me, but
I really want more.
I think we can get a little pullback.
Yeah.
Grab it, rip it.
I really want my orders lower, but I don't know if I'm going to get those in. If we do, that'd be perfect, though. Come on. Give me that. Give me that fill, IDubs. I'm in at 88.80. Gonna get some at 86.30. Do you trade ES? No, I don't. I might dip into MES. I don't really trade the big dogs at the moment. Pulled 9 up so far. Not bad. I like it, but I want more. Definitely want more. VWAP is 290.90 here.
Try to long at 423. Wow. Okay. Take that. Let's see.
This is just holding over VWAP. Probably not going to get my fills lower.
I have a stop and profit at 35. Up 25 points here. There
God,
we go.
points on Russell are so weird. The mini or the micro.
Yeah, it is. Should have grabbed the long on Qs too, but I'll take whatever I can get.
It's
Our Iron Condor from Friday up 60% here.
Nice. IDub's looking really good here. I want to add, just want my spots, but I'm probably not going to get that. So, but I'd rather add to a winner than a loser. So,
Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, okay. GLW, our swing, trying to break over the resistance level at 47. That's going to be a big spot. If we get that, it's going to be very nice for our trade.
so
Been in that one for just about a week. Average down, hit right into support, was perfect add.
morning, Tayden. How we doing, baby? Good morning. Good morning.
Our calls on that are green. My stops right over VWAP on NQ.
Heard that. Here we go, iDubbbz. Come in a bit more for your boy. Get his fills lower.
Target.
Come on.
Just got shot.
How was the weekend, Jordy? Really good. It was a lot of fun. I'm tired, but ready to go. Ready to start the week. Here's Rusty.
Puts for me.
Heard that. I'm about to get filled on more Rusty longs here.
Okay. Moving my stop up on NQ up
Filled.
30 points here. Moving my stop to 442. 442.
Heard that. We're long more off Friday's orb low on Rusty. This is also bottom VWAP. 21 EMA area. I want to see this candle hold and close above VWAP, which is 86.20. If we get drilling under this though with some momentum, I'll be stopping out and thinking we're going lower. But I'm going to give this a second here. Need to give this a second to react. But if we're drilling too hard, I'm not going to love it.
There we go, new high. Gonna move my stop up to 555 now. Up 50 points here.
Beautiful, sir.
55 points. By the way, I posted not a link. I posted a tweet.
Didn't get sick? I'm not too sure about that.
I'm gonna be
Possibly.
posting another learning
I'm like,
session
I'm
Wednesday,
not sick
4 p.m.
yet,
to
but I
close. It's
might
gonna
be
going over
getting
spreads
sick.
again.
We'll
It's gonna
see.
be going more in
We'll see.
depth.
So yeah, iDubbbz, I want to see us hold this general area of VWAP. Want to see this candle reclaim VWAP right here. If we don't want to reclaim VWAP, likely stop out, let this go lower. But really like this area. Would love to see the bulls step in, but if they don't want to step in, they don't want to step in. So see what happens here. Still long Rusty here. I'm long off 287.10. I'm looking to see this candle reclaim VWAP, but if we close under it, I'm likely going to stop on that. I can't really handle too much more there. It was a great spot. I got to get a risk to reward here as well. How's that 4-hour look, though? See, that's the problem. Our 4-hour was looking really good, and now we're getting under that Friday low a day. This can easily reclaim. It looks nasty right now, but there's just no guarantee that it's going to reclaim, you know? We need bulls to step in on this 5-minute candle or else I'm out. Hello, Auto. Thank you.
Starting to see some upper wicks on the 5-minute under Friday's close.
On what?
On the 5-minute on SPY.
SPY looks sketchy. On the 5 there. I see those upper wicks you're talking about.
I'm still just in my starter short though for now.
Yeah. I'm throwing a stop in any lower on iDubbbz. I'm not having it. Don't want to see lower. I want to see this candle try and reclaim that VWAP band. Morning, Austin. If we do get going, reclaim my entry, I want to see at least 2,300 on M2K. That's if I don't get stopped here. Let's see if we can get a bounce. 285 is a spot to watch for the shorts to step in and slap this lower as well. It's a spot I'd really like to see this reclaim. I'll get stopped if we go any lower on M2K. There's I see some liquidity at 550 on NQ. Ooh. One
Okay,
tick away from
I
a
got
stop
stopped
there.
in profit on my NQ, but I'm actually looking to see if we can get a ad here. At 42.47.
Heard that. How's crude oil? Choppy as fuck. Not doing anything. If that does drop to that 69.50 though, I'm kind of interested. We holding Rusty or no? I'm about to get stopped or... Oh, yeah, I'm stopped.
Candle by candle trying to flip here on the 10.
And SPY.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long till orb? We got 18 minutes till orb forms. Well, iDubbbz didn't do what I wanted. We're out of that for now. If that can reclaim some areas, I'll be interested, but lost the key spots. I wanted that to hold.
I just missed my log, I think. Already up 20-something points from where I wanted it.
On what? On
NQ.
Qs, yeah. Sold BA in the small account. Oh wait, is that your... How is this, bro? I haven't really looked at it much. Did it start at 1,000? Yeah, it started at 1,000, huh? Dude. Aaron. Doing great, man. Doing great. Oil trying to pop. Gold still ripping too. Again, I would not be short until really get a structure change. Hard to be short that strength. Oh, my 100K account, Harsh, got fucked. I don't know if you're here. You probably weren't here earlier. I talked about it. I made back $450 or so of the $1,000 loss from Thursday. And then my dumbass left a bunch of open orders in and woke up to my account blown on Friday. Like a dumbass. I'm glad it happened in an eval, but stupid mistake there. Just leaving open orders in. Absolutely ridiculous.
GLW, right at that 47 level. Let's see if we break through. Bust a move.
Pop. Wait. The pop-up bulls. Slow and steady. We should be at 1650-ish.
NQ trying to break a bone. Trying to break a bone.
New all-time high achieved. New achievement unlocked.
What it is. Oh shit, I just deleted.
What'd you delete, Knots?
Deleted a ticker off my watch list.
I do that all the time, and it always makes me so mad.
Yeah,
don't mean to.
Sometimes I don't even know I'm doing it.
I know.
But I realize I did it because it's always usually NQ for some reason.
Yep.
This time it was MU.
MU.
Oh, I just added it back. We all good.
Damn, Rusty, why you gotta look so pretty and then do that?
NQ trying to break new highs here.
I'm still keeping an eye on this 4 hour though, because if they reclaim this like I wanted them to, it's just like they went too low for me. But if they reclaim this on the 4 hour, it's gonna look great again. They might just need to drop it lower. $2K by end of the year. I think you could get that for sure. Is there any news on Nvidia that can support that climb? I think if we've learned anything this year, we've learned that Nvidia doesn't really. I don't think it needs a specific news catalyst to do that, you know? I mean, it's definitely better to support it, but God, look at her cook. I could see it getting slapped up here though, if it needs to. They had a few target raises. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Nice bounce on Rusty. Wish it did that a few moments earlier. But that's all right. Again, if we can reclaim that low from Friday, that 4 hour 21, I will like it again. But I don't really want to take it anymore until I see that.
Oh, GLW just ripped.
Wait, what just happened?
GLW.
GLW.
Oh my lord.
Oh, she just flew. You're in that, right?
About to break a new all-time highs? I don't know if that's true. No, not all-time.
There's only one reason IWM failed. Oh, she hasn't failed yet, baby. She just failed me so far.
Wow.
But she might make my day if we reclaim some spots. I am liking this bounce. It's really unfortunate I got out. But I gotta manage my fucking risk. No, you're fine, Knots. You're good. Beautiful bounce.
I didn't expect this stock to do that.
I do have a fib strategy using MNQ play, but it takes small money and just tried 2 days NQ at 5 hours.
GOW ripping.
I mean, if it's working for you, Harsh, I would try and see if it continues to work. It seems like this is kind of a newer strategy you're trying, so maybe it's smart to back test it with fake money, you know, and not like trading your eval challenge. But I mean, if it's working for you, yeah, I don't see why you would change anything, right? If something's working, don't try and fix it, right? That's what I think. If you're making money off a process and it's working for you and it's consistent, I would keep doing it. Still like iDubbbz. God, if you entered where I stopped. Fire. I feel like gambling. That's why. I mean, if you're having a process that's consistent and it's working, I mean, is it really gambling, right? You're playing your process and you're managing your risk accordingly and just playing the opportunities that your plan shows you. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, if you're following your plan, I think it's great. And if you're consistently making money with it, I don't see why you wouldn't continue it. I think it's awesome. This rusty bounce is nice. Taiwan signals openness to nuclear power amid surging AI demand. It's very open to using new nuclear technologies to meet surging demand from chip makers devouring electricity in the AI boom. Someone behind my ear says NVIDIA double topped. That little motherfucker behind your ear, I'd slap him in the face, tell him to shut up. I'd whisper back to him and say, look at NVIDIA, look at what it's done after every double top this whole year. That's what I'd whisper to it back. Hey, that little voice will be right one of these days, right? One of these days. We'll finally be right, but... That stop on Russell was nasty. Jordy got both of us. Yeah, it's all good. That was nasty. I was like, any lower than this? I'm not really loving it. They took it a few ticks lower and brought it right back up. That's okay, though. Because really, yeah, if you got an entry down there, great. But really, I mean, it's all about that Friday low area for me.
Damn. What's the fucking
Gold's still just chugging. Jeez.
I missed that long. Again. 2 times it tapped the 9. 2 times I didn't grab it. That's already a 25-point long there in under 2 minutes. Under a minute. Right there. 25-point long.
You got 6 minutes till orb forms. Short NQ here. Yeah, I don't hate that at all. Orb's about to form. You're extended a little outside of this top VWAP. I do not hate that at all.
Oh. GLW about to break new highs. 2 cents away.
VIX coming in.
Yeah, the Vixter. By the way, the Vixter is highly green this morning. Interesting.
Nvidia, another new all-time high.
Coming into that 511 on NQ. Keep that on watch. Might try a short there depending on how we react to it.
I think for a short CR. Potentially. But, I mean, trend's up right now. I just like the higher time frame setup on Rusty. Way better than what this looks like, personally. I think Rusty's clean. But I'll trade I'll trade anywhere, I don't care. I'm keeping my eyes on Qs too. I'm trying to let orb form. But it looks like again, I don't hate the shorts up here. I don't have any options right now, no. 0. Nothing, no options positions. Zero, zero, zero. The only problem with the shorts here is if we keep holding this 491, there's just still potential for this thing to keep making new highs. And like CR saying, we really haven't had any red candles, so gotta be careful there. %128% from Friday, Jesus. Wild.
Just chopping up here right now. Not bait. Topped 500 on NQ, didn't get it above.
And Dizzle long. Not my watch list anymore. What the fuck? Monthly does look spicy, Aaron. I won't be surprised if it needs to dip to last month's high, but or not last month's high. That's what is that? That's previous. Is that Friday's high? Wait, I'm so confused. What the fuck? Whatever this level is, Aaron. 146.70. I don't know why it's showing like that on the monthly, but I won't be surprised if we need to dip there. With NQ holding this top VWAP at 491.50. Shorts look tough here. Also, not a single red candle yet.
Another bounce of the 9. Yes. I mean, sorry, NQ.
I like it, Aaron. Again, I just think like
Nothing...
if you get a dip to that 146.70, don't freak out. You know, it's fine if it dips there.
Okay, our orb 15 high is right where we are in NQ at 488. 30-minute orb is right at 502.
Here comes orb high for the 30. I like that it's holding the 50% retracement of last month right now, too. I like that a lot. If it holds that, that's even better than it dipping down to that 146.70.
Just waiting to see what we do here off the 30-minute orb being closed. Oops. So 30-minute orb is 502 on NQ. 15-minute orb is 488, and then obviously our lower orb is much lower at 422, right above where we got that entry on those NQ logs.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is like the third time in the past few minutes we're hitting the 9 EMA now. Seems like buyers are getting a little weaker, sellers are getting a little stronger. Something to keep in mind.
Rusty had a nasty 4-hour close. We do have the daily 9 at that 269.30. Is that where we're headed? Ooh, I won't be surprised. She's ripping. Breaking that orb high so far.
Order filled.
I'm getting long more Rusty. As long as we're holding orb, I'll be long. Definitely a better spot to try it here, but
Order filled.
than I did earlier. But we gotta hold orb. I have a stop already in under orb.
Okay, we're at that 511 level here on NQ.
Where's the strength coming from, MNQ? Jeez. Come on, Rusty. Hold this low, man. You're at orb. I gotta stop, though, and that might be it for the day on me. In the futures, at least. I might switch over and find some options plays, but 2 losses on the futures, I might just cut it after that on the futures account.
Order
Yeah, stop there, too. That's fine. You don't want to hold orb. That's fine. Not my morning. So, I don't have my edge. We're taking losses. I'm going to step back. I'm going to watch some options plays. See what we can do there. Not my morning on the futures so far, so. What we do need to check is the Tesla IV. Wow, still juiced, but not super surprised with it being earnings this week. I would assume if you're buying AMD on the monthly structure, you're probably looking at, Aaron, you're probably looking like 2-3 months out, no? November? Heard that. Saucy with it.
Okay, NQ coming into the 533 level. That's a big spot. I grabbed a short here at 531.50.
Oh, gnarly.
That I had to. There's just no way I'm not taking that.
You're at,
Blasted through the 511.
it's Friday's high.
Coming right into Friday's high.
Yeah. Just spot.
Uh,
You have any liquidity here? You have liquidity at 550 there, Knots. Too. Just saying. There's some big sellers there, so
okay.
I don't know if you can
I started
withstand
a
till up there,
short
but
on, QQQ puts as well.
yeah.
This is going to be 2 days out. I'm going to try to focus on 2-day out puts now going for, or 2-day out, you know.
Oh, November next year? November next year would be gnarly.
This 533 is a big.
Will we still be
area.
around in November of next year? Absolutely. I will. I mean, I've been around the past 4 years, so.
Ooh, who gives a fuck? That's what
Watch
they
that
just said, who gives a fuck?
580.
Who gives a fuck about that 430 level? They said, bitch. You stupid bitch.
Stupid. Vix coming in. Does she want to go fill that gap? Oh,
Okay, there you go. Come on. I was gonna cover half there. I should have. Shit. Show me under 521. Drop it down. Drop it
I guess I don't get it either, Braden. It's okay.
Okay, covered half there, 522.
Let's go.
Still in my QQQ puts. I'll stop at 529 in profit now, just in case they try to rip this higher on NQ. You ain't gonna rip me out, bitch. Okay. Now let's get these puts in profit. Come on. Bring us down back to 511. 9 EMA's down there. VWAP's really far. 450. We have a reversal candle here in the 2-minute doji. We'll see how it plays, but I did just get stopped on my NQ. It literally hit it and fucking stopped me. Still in my Q puts though.
Heard that.
Nice little scalp there on the NQ.
Video still pumping. Hasn't really gotten over orb high yet though. I don't like green bananas. They taste so like... They taste like if a banana was watered down.
Drop is low. Come on, baby. Come on, get under that 520. That 520 is a big spot. That's what we need to break below to get down. Ooh, held it. Held it pretty good, to be honest.
Yeah, it is a lot of strength. We've had one red candle. It was a doji. Shorts have been good on fucking Russell though. Or I was trying to long. Still trying to hold orb low, fighting with it.
5-minute. Nothing crazy still. Would love that dip down too. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, covered some here on NQ. Oh, sorry, QQQ.
WBA consolidating right now. I think it could consolidate for a little while longer, to be honest. I think when it does finally go, it'll move up for another leg, but I think this could go sideways for a while after this big impulsive move. Disgusting.
Never say what that.
Back testing and holding that orb high so far. Let's see. Coming in.
Literally never doing that again. All right.
Just chat GPT. Oh my lordy. You guys are so funny. Well, let her cook.
NQ big bounce off that 511, the level I talked about that I wanted to short initially. And we busted right through it.
Ooh, Apple. Yeah, Apple's cooking. Microsoft's still stuck in the range. Nvidia's still cooking though, another new high, or almost there. Nvidia cooking. You might not see Q's pull back too much.
Yeah, I'm looking to do a put spread on NQ. Sorry, Q. I keep saying NQ right now. I'm looking to do a put spread on QQ. Make some profit on that today.
I really want to see crude oil come into that 69 area. It is at a spot I have coming into 69.50. I think the risk to reward for a long is a lot better off 69 though. Daily's holding that bullish structure. Coming into 550 here. That was where we had liquidity. Doesn't look like they moved up, so 550 is still the spot. If I had to try a short on Qs, that's where I would try it in this area, but I don't gotta do anything, so not gonna touch that, but I don't see really any more liquidity above that, at least as of right now. That can change though. Look at this strength. It's not coming from Microsoft though. Well, maybe a little bit now. Apple's ripping.
There goes Q's. Pushing higher. Strong, strong, strong.
I
Very
am
strong.
keeping my eyes on Tesla, but I have not purchased any options yet. That IV is still ridiculous. Probably gonna wait till after earnings, to be honest. So I'm trying to keep my eyes for other options positions too. Kind of looking at AMD, the chats. While talking about AMD on the monthly. Keeping eyes. Boy, am I gonna get a good nap in today. Looks like they're trying to keep it under 550. Don't know how successful they'll be with that though. VIX still coming in, trying to fill the gap now. Yeah, today's going to be a shorter stream for sure, CR. I'm going to get some sleep here later. But had to hop on, of course. Had to hop on. But yeah, I'll probably sleep like throughout the day a little bit, and then I'll probably be up for futures tonight if you guys want to trade in the Discord. I don't know how good it's going to be tonight. I don't know, we'll see, but I'll probably be around, so. We were lost on Friday last week. No, I'm sure you guys were fine.
Okay, they're coming back in.
Oh, really? Everybody was tripping out?
Friday's high.
Well, that's
Now
kind
the
of nice to
90
hear. Everybody was like, oh, where's Jordy?
Gotta make sure both right there.
We ran the Discord trading. Let's go, baby. Good shit. Oh, my phone got pop out now. Text, please. Wanna get up with me? Hell, Lord Jordan, bro. That's too funny. Oh my gosh. It was a mess. We all went broke, had to foreclose my house. Sure glad you're back. Imagine, oh my gosh. Fuck. Well, they're keeping it under 550. Looks like the big seller there holding it under so far. Still don't really have liquidity above that. We do have some below at 485. crude oil really trying to hold the VWAP. Ooh, not anymore, right as I say it. Smackied.
Smacky, smacky. Right back into that 511. Now you got the 21 EMA down there. This is where it starts to get interesting. I want to get into a spready. Oh man. Get there now. The fuck?
Nice short off of that 585 area on SPY.
Let's go, B.
That's just
Beautiful.
overhead resistance like for the last few days now.
Love that B. B daddy. B dizzle. My schnizzle.
My schnizzle.
5, 3, 10, 15.
But the best thing is just to play it right back down to 10-minute, 9 VWAP area there, especially on a kind of a bullish, bouncy kind of day.
Yeah, strong morning so far. Damn. The video up, of course.
And I'm flat, but if we lose VWAP here and kind of go maybe down to retest some of the lows of the morning pre-market, I think I just play it as a range, kind of a range day.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we're sitting right in the middle of after hours and pre-market highs and lows here.
My mind is telling me no. Out there breaking us down. We're going down, down.
Back testing orb high here.
Rejecting 90 EMA above on the 2-minute.
Paul's doing it, huh? The AM Dizzle 260s. Savage. McDonald's. I know it's been flying. Dude, I remember Braden talked about it like at the lows. Ever since Braden talked about it, that shit has flown.
Mm-hmm. We're going lower. We're going lower. Okay, put a stop and profit on my Q puts that I still had, the remaining.
The remaining.
Yeah.
Uh.
Remaining.
She's
Let 'em
coming back
ride,
in the
bitch.
orb.
Let's ride, bitch.
Back into orb.
Albert James, bitch.
That 550 seller held us under. Solid. That was a solid spot. Hard to short that today, but that was the spot to try it.
Here we go. Drop us down. Raising my stop.
Raise that shit.
There we go. Raise my stop. Put it more in profit. Now we just let it do its thing.
Let it do a dang.
Give us some more fun here. Yeah.
To just test the 21. That was a great short. If you caught it off 550 to the 21, that's like 60 points. Did you short gold, CR? Did you end up shorting it?
Put that bitch in profit.
I still am not like 100 on it.
583.33.
But I know you were trying it this morning. I was curious if you caught that. I'm not ready yet, but would you get a stock market tattoo? Probably not, to be honest. Probably not. Maybe. Maybe. It would have to be like really good. Up like a G on the funded. Let's go, CR, bro. Let's go, because I know I'm going to give it back. Dude, if you know you're going to give it back, just lock that shit up, baby. Then you never give it back. Let's go. Stoked for you, bro. I think we should all get matching ones. Oh, boy. Maybe. Maybe. Again, it would have to be really good. Oh. Fuck. Let's go, Thomas. I thought you said you won't ever get any tattoos. It's partially changed. I never said no to piercings. Wrong. Never said no to that.
Is this a reach?
Tough spot here, holding the 21, but like back in the orb. Oh boy, Aaron. Be back in a bit. Jordy going to run some errands. Stream going to the end of the day. Probably not going to the end of the day. I'm probably going to wrap it up a little bit earlier today, to be honest, just because I am not running on much sleep. But shout out to Aaron, as always. W's in the chat. Aaron's always showing love to me, man. Love you, brother. Got to start the week. Yes, sir. Ah. Fuck. I agree, Thomas. Tattoos either have really touching stories or they have stupid decision stories. Yeah. Facts. If we come into Orblow on MNQ, I could be convinced of a long. If MNQ wants to come into Orblow, I could be convinced of a long.
Okay. Q's. I'm looking for a little buy here on 67.
You looking for one?
Look for a little buy there. Did this spread sell yet? Fuck. This Condor is not selling.
Jordy is our man. I could be down for tattoos, but if I am down for tattoos, I'm gonna be very specific with the tattoos that I get. Damn, I was so wrong on Russell this morning. That's okay. The setup looked great, but damn. As soon as that 4-hour candle closed, nasty like that, it was wrapped. We needed a strong close, and that was it.
Push it down. Push it down.
I didn't grab anything. I'm waiting.
Spy's kind of drilling it. There's orb low on MNQ.
And that I just grabbed.
Not a bad idea. I think if we lose orb, we're going to 350.
I got Q's calls as well. 496 call, 10/22.
Nice.
I had SPX puts off of the 4 rejection. And got out. That happened quick. Look at this bottom quick, man.
Mm-hmm.
Glad I got out when I did.
Fuck, I had no orders then.
Now I look for VWAP to 460, 465. 465 is where I want to really get at.
Wait, what?
I don't know if we're going to get that, but that's my goal.
Bruh, dude, what do you mean? I'm wearing a fucking hoodie, bro. God damn it. Motherfuckers, dude. No, yeah. Aaron
This whole
does that on purpose. No, dude, I literally wore a hoodie, so didn't fucking say anything, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. God damn it. You guys are fucking...
That is a huge bottom wick, though. Makes me want to think long.
Yeah, I had no
There we
open orders
go.
there. Damn. Nice knots. Love you for that.
Come on. Why you got loud?
You want me to show you? You really want to see it? Oh my god.
Jordan, you got long or not?
No, I didn't have fucking orders in. God damn it. That came quick. And then it wicked quick.
I turned my
I should have been dirty long that, but
off a move like that. I had to give it a go.
bruh.
I'm happy I didn't take the
I'll give
ball,
you guys a fucking
but
sneak
if
peek,
it
dude.
didn't
That's
backfire,
it. You motherfuckers. How do you even see it? What do you... Oh, that's how. Never mind. I'm stupid. Alright, you get like fucking 2 seconds, alright? That's it. That's all you get. God damn it. Motherfuckers, dude. Zoom in. Now down low. Shut up, my god. That's a double whammy. You motherfuckers, dude.
Stop remaining on everything.
Heard.
And I'll take that. Quick little nice scouts. Made a couple $100, 300 on futures.
Only for the OF, Aaron. Sorry. Sorry.
Take that. Now,
You don't get to see this side of it until you pay up. You know, motherfucker. CR, please tell me you're long off this, please. I'm stupid I didn't have orders in. Fuck.
God.
I'm also not trying to stress a Monday too much. So, and I've already taken losses. I'm not trying to stress taking fucking a bunch of trades. But damn, that was a good spot to try it. Let's see if it actually goes, though. Because if it doesn't, I see us going to like 370, 350. But I'm just curious if anybody caught that orb blow. I know we're like talking shit in the chat and everything, and that's totally fine. But I'm just curious about the trades and being a little serious now. Did anybody grab that with Knotswell there? Because that was a nice spot. It's orb blow, man. It's a chop day, generally. Jordy, when you gonna let one of us give you a keys like that? That's crazy. Hey, yo. CR, he's just trying to change the conversation. Bro, I don't care. We can talk about this. It's fun. But I also wanted to know if anybody actually caught some trades, you know.
Yeah, same. No, I just want to make sure 580.
Oh my god.
Good reaction long, like you guys said. Boy, it kind of feels heavy, man.
Not very ladylike, I have to say.
Right back to the orb blow here. I'm not grabbing this.
You know,
That's for sure. That
I
is
don't
a shot.
I don't mind it. I don't mind it. I think that's just a lady seeing what's hers and taking what's hers, you know?
The C's were angry.
That's how Jordy likes them. In that specific scenario, yeah. In that specific scenario.
Oh, good.
Oh! Knotswell put stops and profit like a G there. That was such a beautiful little scalp, though. I love those little scalps, even if it doesn't even end up reversing or going. I love those little pivot scalps like that.
What those cupids are.
Yeah, fuck. 550, brother. That was a spot.
Oh, wow.
No liquidity up above. That was the spot this morning. Let me tell you. But, I mean, again, though, like, if you're sitting back and you're, like, kicking yourself because you didn't grab that short, I mean, give yourself a break. The only thing I really had was that liquidity spot. And, yeah, there was a ton of sellers there, nothing up above. But still, that's a hard short to take when you have all that momentum in the morning. I don't know. If you're in the audience, I wouldn't sit there and like beat yourself up about that because that's a tough one in my opinion.
Still has those keep puts. They are up over $100 a contract.
I think shorts on MES were a lot easier personally. Just I not necessarily just have more confluence. I feel like than Qs. But yeah, it's a nice short. Somehow holding or below on that wick. Seeing that Hickey makes it a green day. What else did you do in Chico? Dude, we found okay. I have this like love and hate relationship with Chico. I hate Chico because it fucking stole my girlfriend from me. But I love Chico. Like Chico's lit. I love Chico itself. Chico's such a pretty little town. It's very much like Ojai. The only thing that sucks about it is there's no ocean close by, but there's a lot of lakes. But Chico's really cool, man. Like, I don't know. We went on some drives just up the mountains, and it's just like the whole scenery there is so beautiful. Like watching the sunset on the cliff overlooking like the whole town of Chico and shit. It's just so nice. I really like it out there, to be honest. Lily's feeling all better for sure. Yeah, she's feeling better. Yeah. Maybe she carrying a little Jordy. Hey, yo, chill. Too far, CR? You're good. You're good. Jordy gonna be a dad? Chill, bro. Whoa, chill. Not yet. Not yet. One day, but not yet. No. Still holding that orb low. Oh, let me tell you, Russell's getting so fucked. Wow. Am I a happy camper that I stopped out when I did? Jesus. It's actually really nasty. Bro, y'all knew this from the beginning. I'm a freak. Like, y'all knew this. Should not be a surprise. Still short in the Russell. Oh, you were short in the Russell? Let's go. Love it. Great job there. I had a few spots for the long this morning, but those got quickly invalidated. So, not beautiful shorts there, man. Good job. Really good job. All the weakness is there right now. So, really good job there. Oh. Gold. Take a profit here. I mean, probably not a bad idea to shave off some profits for sure. Wow. Gold from the highs. Beautiful shorts. So true, CR. So true. It's actually so fucking true. Tom Crown, good morning. Micro Colgate coming in. Well, trying our best to hold orb here. Gold's getting a little bit screwed. Now it's getting a bounce, though. Came in pretty good there. I'd like to see crude oil come into that September NFP high, 68.90 there. Might be interested in some longs off that spot. Watching the daily, that's where we're holding that bullish structure of higher lows. If we continue to hold that, I think we see a nice bounce out of this area, but obviously if we lose that structure, not going to look too good. But I do like the higher low structure as long as that holds. If I can get a dip to that 69, 68.90 there, I'd be down to try some longs. Other than that, not seeing a whole lot that I really love. The orb low bounce here is decent. If you got the little sweeps below that orb low, that was ideal here for M&Q. Going brazy on that PP is crazy. It's wild. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Brazy? What does that even mean? It's like, she go brazy on it, you know, she go crazy with it, you know? I don't know. It's just like crazy, but brazy. You know, that shit go brazy, you know? You know what I mean? That shit go brazy. Pretty self-explanatory, you know? Vita trying to get bought up. Hello. Hello. Holding that 21. I really want to be in some options plays, but I just don't have much that I love. Kind of wish I was in Apple. I'm not going to buy it all the way up here, but it would be nice if I was holding some Apple contracts, waiting for that weekly breakout. Watching Tesla. Again, though, IV's just too high. I'm not going to touch it here. Probably wait till after earnings. Might play some TSLT. I am interested in coin a bit. I would like to see a bigger dip. It might not get it. I fucked myself selling that position so early. So I wanna be in some plays. I really haven't been this flat in my options account in a while. I'm usually kind of always in a swing or something. So it's been a little weird for me not being in anything. But cash is, like we always say, right? Sometimes it's a great position to be in, but this coin ripping the way it is, and I mean today it's consolidating, but the way it's been ripping, it's tough for me not to want to dip back into that. But I'm also trying to be smart about it, because you know it's tough when I had 200 calls way before we even got close to 200, and now I'm like wanting to buy it at 212. You know, it's rough. That's hard for my mind to process, but. The like button is working fine now. Let's go. Well, let's get the stream up let's get it to at least 30 likes. We're at 20 right now, I think. So shout out to the crew. If you guys are enjoying the stream, make sure you're liking it up. Subscribing, of course. We got 20 likes at the moment. I think we could get to 30 pretty easily. Mukbang? We doing a mukbang? Wait, I have the perfect thing for a mukbang. Guess what I got, guys? Wait, you ready? You ready? Guess what I got for the mukbang? Wait. The spicy ramen. The mukbang ramen. The shit's bomb. It is spicy as fuck, though. I can't use all the spiciness. I like spicy, too. This shit is gnarly. I'm like, hey, yo, that's a little much. This shit, fire. Fire. Love those.
I'm
Garlic's alive.
still trying to sell this condor.
Oh, are you?
I don't know if it's gonna work out, but Q's right above orb, 15 and 30 low, right under 90 EMA in the 2-minute.
Yes, sir.
So I'm no trade right now until we see something.
Mukbang right now. Fuck. Not yet. My stomach, when I think about eating that right now, is like, oh, not liking it. Oh. Hey, let's go. Let's go, Niels. You still on that Russell, baby? Get it, baby. Get it, get it, get it. I would just, I mean, honestly, in your position, man, CBC is the way right here, in my opinion. You could do a 10-minute or a 5-minute CBC. 5-minute CBC is every previous 5-minute candle you mark the high. when you get a 5-minute close above that previous 5-minute candle high, that's your stop out. That's your indication to say the trade's over. That's what I use a lot of the time now. On a strong trend like this, I think using the 10-minute is even smarter. It does mean that if it does bounce and end up stopping you out, that you might stop out for less gains than you would have. But it also means that it'll keep you in the trade longer if we keep on going. So I like a 10-minute CBC, especially when the trade, when the trend is this strong to the downside. So Niels, I don't know your process, but if you don't know CBC, CBC is super simple, super easy way to keep you in plays to, you know, milk as much of that position as possible. Without doing that in a degenerate way. You know what I mean? So maybe use that 10-minute CBC, maybe not. I don't know. Just throwing it out there for you. Might be a good process for you. Q's testing that bottom view up again. Back under orb. We've been just kind of chopping on the outside of orb here. So breaking orb itself here really is not telling me much. Maybe if we break that previous low wick of 381 there, 381, we could, I could think, okay, now we're actually seeing some downside, but yeah, facts, Pedro. A CBC on the 15-minute, gotcha, yeah. Solid. It's a slow morning. Are the boys still in the other spaces? Yeah, they are. They'll probably be coming over in a little bit. Oh, Russell, so smoked today. I was so thoroughly wrong there. But I had some good spots, and if we reclaimed that, it would have been great, right? So, but very happy I stopped out of that shit. Jesus. Roasted. Thing got roasted. Damn. Oh. Oh, it's B. B's back.
Sorry, yeah, I'm on my daughter FaceTime me.
You good, you good. Gotta talk to the data.
Yep. This conversation was actually free instead of expenses.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was playing this as a range day, and we are totally downtrending. So.
Yeah, we're kind of starting it now. I mean, we're on the outside of orb. We're kind of chopping right outside of it. I mean, if we make another low, then I'm like, all right. Yeah, it looks like it. I mean, MES is weaker, right? Yeah. Look at SPY, way weaker. Yeah, that's down so far, yeah.
They're spell algo here, man.
It's weird. Gold's coming in. Market's coming in.
I think that opening push kind of psyched me out a little bit.
Oil's coming in. Everything's coming in at once. Something's gonna pop at some point. Which one is it? Curious. Happy Monday, Brando. What's up, baby?
Oh God.
Downside looks gnarliest on Russell and the general market. I'm looking for a long on oil personally. I know I've been saying that. I'm still watching for my spot. I'm looking for that 69.10 to really I want September NFP high, which is 68.90. I would love to test that and grab some longs down there, especially when I see the Russell and the rest of the market being really weak and generally, you know, not always, but generally you're going to see oil try and do a bit of the opposite of what that's doing. And oil's coming in right now, but it is holding up a lot better than Russell in the markets. I have some spots that we coming into, so I'll be watching. See if I get those spots. This is nasty on gold here. Oh. Morning, Tom. Shout out to you, brother. How we doing? Happy Monday. I'm already down $600, but it's okay.
Yeah, I didn't have this on my bingo card today, that's for sure.
Sometimes those Mondays surprise us, you know. That's why I say, you know, we can expect chop always, but gotta also always be open-minded because sometimes we get these fucking gnarly trends like this. Damn. Although I won't be surprised if it's like kind of looks like a trend day this morning and it like ends up being like just a giant range day where we're just back and forth like later in the day we get bought up, you know, some bullshit. Wouldn't be surprised if it's something like that. Brent, good morning. Russell's had 2 green candles since it opened. Smokied. MES. Smokied. Gold. Smokied. Smoke them if you got them. When Jordan starts the trivia, it's time to go long. I would not bet your life on that, but we will see. Speaking of that, though, I will get that link posted for everybody, and everybody can start joining in, and we'll run a little trivia here in a minute or so. Let me get that link posted though first, and we'll get that out to you guys. He's buying something. Or selling.
Now I'm gonna scalp a 58.50 long here.
Look at this guy.
$2.10.
Look at this guy.
Low of the day.
I do have liquidity at 340 for MNQ. It would also be a higher low from Globex session. I wouldn't expect us to just drill through that, so I don't hate the long, But also, you know, there's a lot of momentum to the downside, so. I could be picking spots. I love it. I threw the link for the trivia up top. So if people want to start joining that and getting ready for a round of trivia, feel free to do that.
Whoosh.
Whoosh! Push it for B.
Bring me back up to 582. Quick.
Beautiful long. Damn, picking spots this morning, B. I love it. It's awesome.
Fire.
Braden, love you, brother. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.
Come on, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more.
Ooh. Vic's got a big bounce. Shit. I didn't realize. Makes sense with the market coming in, but I didn't realize how much it bounced. Back to Friday's high. All right. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna start that round of trivia. That link is still in the top of spaces if anybody wants to participate and join. Feel free. We're gonna start that round right now. There's 3 minutes on the board, plenty of time to join. Especially while it's a little quiet right now. I think the boys should be hopping in from the other spaces here in a little bit though. Let's go, Gustavo. Gustavo got them all right on the trivia. Let's go, baby. Got 40 seconds remaining, so still some time left.
Just think, in the beginning of the day, we rode the 9 EMA up, and the second half of the, well, not even the second half of the day.
Yeah, just second half of the morning.
The second part of this, we're riding the 9 EMA down.
Yep.
They're moving it around, fucking around.
Bringing
Let's see,
around town.
And my QQQ Condor will not sell. Won't sell.
Get it sold. Wow. This gold short's nasty. Dude, gold got destroyed, CR. That was a good short. KC.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Good afternoon. How about this market reversal?
Dude, what a morning.
Sharky, Frank, and Imp all went short.
They
at
all
10-15.
destroyed it, yeah.
And yeah, there was a lot of different levels of confluence. I had a level on SPY at 584.6 with the supply zone starting just above around 585. And it fucking just flushed right after that. I think they exited for like 75 points on NQ, maybe just a little bit more.
Solid.
But it was a freaking solid move. The NVIDIA calls for January that I called out on Friday for the swing, those hit $100 per contract gain this morning,
Boom.
making the new all-time highs. I'm still in, obviously, because they're for January and I got time. But took one off for, just an easy $100 on the contract.
Yes, sir.
And I've just been watching. I'm in a QQQ Iron Condor. That's about it.
Very nice.
Would you trade this morning, Jordy?
Dude, I tried a Russell long and I got stopped out. I've just been chilling. I had a few spots on Russell and then we lost those spots on the 4 hour. I was watching that 4 hour. Where's my chart?
Yep.
You know what you were watching the same thing off that 21 and previous day low. I was like,
Yeah.
okay. Dude, if we're holding that, I love it. And then we lost. I was like, all right, I'm not
Me
gonna
and
hold
Em were
that.
talking about IWM all morning.
Yeah, I really like the long,
we-
had confluence, but it just didn't end up going. So stopped out, and I haven't taken anything else. So
I think it's coming down to the next big area that I have. I think around this 221.75 to 221.50 area. I want to see if they're gonna buy it up here. It's actually approaching it right now.
Yeah.
If they don't, it's going to be 220 cycle. But that daily 9 EMA, it just blasted straight through it. So now the 21 is at 220.6. So if this
Morning, Eva.
221.75, 221.50 fails on IWM, it should go down closer to that area. But the 4-hour right now on IWM, if you look from 924 to 930 that week last month, this area that is coming towards that 221.50 area, that was a lot of top wicks where that was previous resistance and supply. This is the first time it's getting a huge back test of that area, so I'm expecting some kind of buys to come in here around this 221.50 soon.
Yeah.
But me and Em, we were waiting for some kind of signal that buyers were going to step in on IWM.
I know, and they just didn't.
No, every level just kept getting just.
They made it look good in pre-market. That's when I was watching. I was like, oh, they're stepping in, and then they just got taken out right when that market opened.
Yeah. So I mean, IWM though, it's extremely oversold right here on the 15-minute, and it just hit that zone literally to the penny, 221.75. So if for me now to go long, I'm not going to look at the 5-minute for an entry. I'll look at the 15 to the 30-minute.
Yeah.
Maybe like a hammer candle with some good volume or something like that. Because I mean, it's overextended, so even for a little pop to retrace it back up can be good for some longs.
Yes, sir.
But regardless, if it does go down to that daily 21 EMA or that 220 psych level, I'm definitely going to be trying some calls there no matter what, just because of the psych level and importance that it has there.
Guys,
I think Microsoft is a big short.
I love you all. I'm so tired. I'm gonna lay in bed, do the rest of spaces here, because we do have some spaces later. But I'm gonna take a little nappy in between, because I'm dead and I need some sleep, and I can't even fucking process the charts right now because your boy is dead. So I love you all. You stay up all night. I was driving all night, so I didn't try and stay up all night, but I was driving, so I got home really late. So I'm gonna cut the stream here early. I am keeping spaces open and everything, so guys, feel free to jump there. And I'll be around. I'll say a few words here and there, but probably gonna take a little nappy in between our other spaces. So you look high, my boy. Do I? I probably do. Being up all night. I can't smoke in the morning no more though. Your boy gets too fucking stoned. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. I used to though. I used to get high every morning. But now I'm just cooked. All right, guys. I love you all. Thanks for tuning in as always. I appreciate you. Sorry to cut it short. Your boy's just dead, but we'll be back bright and early tomorrow, and it'll be a great day tomorrow. We'll be up early. We'll be up early, ready to go. I'll probably be around tonight as well, guys. For a little bit of futures trading. I don't know how good it's gonna be, but I'll be around in the Discord. So feel free to hit me up. For the new people, feel free to join the free Discord. We're in there talking when I'm not on the live. So, and for everybody else, we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, guys, click the like button if you enjoy. I appreciate all you guys. Love you. We'll see you bright and early tomorrow. All right. Peace.